You are in the channel of Hairstyle with Jenny. Yes, I'm coming with new hairstyle. Life is too short for have boring hair. That is why I think hair a lot. Hey! I didn't give my life for. Guys, hi queen, welcome. If you're new subscriber, don't forget click this bell down below the red button, and near the red button you have this bell. Click this bell so you'll be notified. You will be notified when I upload new video. Okay? Yes, you know by the title you come to see this cute and gorgeous focus goddess locks. Yes, focus goddess locks. Me trabo. I feel this hair so much like say hippie, sassy amor, okay? Yeah, I love this goddess. Like it remind me this remind me. They come two bundles. In each bundle you have three of these, and I use only one bundle I have because they remind me two of these Focus Goddess toys. So I use no 1 2 3 4. I use 4 packs. Yes, 4 packs of this because they're very big and they look super natural. I don't know if you can do individual focus locks too. They look super mega ultra natural, girls. Go and order yours. And it's from Amazon. Yes, it's from Amazon. And don't forget, you have it in AliExpress too. Yes, this company name is Silai Hair. You have it in Amazon. I will leave the link of Amazon directly of this hair down below, and the link of AliExpress down below too. Yes, they come in each bundle like this. They come 24, yes, 24 or 28 of these. They're very big and they look super natural. They look like it's like handmade Focus Goddess to locks. They super natural. I love it, girls. I challenge myself because I say, okay, I have to challenge myself to do crochet bag, and it take me 27 minutes to install it. But you have to know that I already have my cornrow for a long time, so you have to know that. So yeah, it took me less than 30 minutes. So hey, I hope you like it. Okay, I will leave the link down below for everything. My contact lenses, I will leave the name of these contact lenses here from colorcia.com. Use my discount code JKitten for you to have 10% off. Okay, you see, this is the crop green. They look very natural. Okay. And if you want my lipstick, I will leave the link of this lipstick down below. Okay, so bye. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah. Mr. Lover, you know say I don't get why.
Your body in a Ebano. Your body in a Ebano. Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Yo, yeah. Yo. I didn't give my life away, you just inspired me. Since we youngin'.